Hey there, welcome back to Product Critique.
Today, we have an exciting product to review, the NZXT H6 Flow RGB Mid-Tower Airflow Case. It's a compact dual-chamber case with panoramic glass panels, cable management, and more.
Let's dive right in. First off, let's talk about the design.
The H6 Flow RGB is a stunner.
With its sleek black finish, it's not just a computer case, it's a work of art. The wraparound glass panels provide an unobstructed view of your components, making it perfect for showcasing your rig.
But it's not just about looks. This case is intelligently designed.
The dual-chamber layout improves thermal performance and keeps your build looking clean and uncluttered.
The inclusion of 3 pre-installed 120mm RGB fans is a big plus. They're positioned at an ideal angle for excellent cooling and vibrant RGB lighting.
Speaking of cooling, the H6 Flow is all about it. The top and side panels feature an airflow-optimized perforation pattern to enhance overall performance.
The strategically angled front corner directs air towards your GPU and CPU air cooler for efficient cooling.
Cable management is often a headache, but not with this case. It comes with an intuitive cable management system that simplifies the build process. Wide channels and straps make it easy to keep your cables tidy and out of sight. If you're wondering about compatibility, the H6 Flow RGB can accommodate a variety of components. It has room for different motherboard sizes, and there's ample space for even large GPUs. The product dimensions are 16.34 inches in depth, 11.3 inches in width, and 17.13 inches in height.
Before we wrap up, let's take a quick look at what customers are saying. With over 32,000 ratings and an average score of 4.7 out of 5 stars, it's clear that users are loving this case.
They praise its easy build experience, exceptional airflow, and the overall quality of the product.
In conclusion, the NZXT H6 Flow RGB Mid-Tower Airflow Case is a fantastic choice for anyone looking to build a high-performance and visually stunning PC. With its smart design, impressive cooling, and cable management, it's a winner in our book.
That's it for today's review on Product Critique.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews.
Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you in the next one.